If you're based in the European Union or you process European citizens' data, then you need to comply with GDPR. GDPR is a law that recommends that you seek consent for storing and using your contacts' data, and subsequently protect it from any potential data breaches. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your contact preferences page in order to obtain consents. Please note that obtaining consents and the contact preferences page requires the Privacy Guard extension. To begin, log into your Vtiger account and go to the Settings page. From there, click on Consents under the Configuration. Here, enable the Preferences page. You will be prompted to follow the consent's prerequisites. To use Privacy Guard, you must remove duplicate records based on contact email addresses to ensure that contacts have just one set of consents. In the pop-up, enable the checkboxes to scan your instance for duplicate records. Please note that you cannot enable consents until the duplicate check is complete, at which point you will receive an email notification. While the duplicate check is happening, configure the email settings. If you haven't, to send out email opt-ins. If you've already configured email settings, confirm the consent prerequisites and click Save. Once you've received your notification that the duplicate check is complete, re-enable the Preferences checkbox to configure consents. Next, provide an introduction for your contacts to see when they visit their Preferences page. Some boilerplate text is included, which you should edit to add any policies. Next, we can configure our consents, consisting of data consents, custom consents, and consents for tracking email and documents. The first part, data consents, lets your contacts control your storage of their data. Removing consent erases and locks the specific field in their contact record. By default, any field you've marked for encryption will be added to this part of the page, but it will still be hidden from your contacts until you change the visibility setting to all contacts or to only these contacts shown to contacts. You can show a consent or add more fields to the data consent sections by clicking on the Add CRM field button. The second part, custom consents, lets you ask yes or no questions on the Preferences page. Their responses show up in the contact records and can be used in filters, reports, and workflows. For example, asking to share contact data with a third party. To set up a custom consent, click the Add New Custom Consent button from the pop-up, enter the consent text. Finally, you can let contacts control whether email or document engagement is tracked based on their consents. The last part of the Preferences page gives your contacts the ability to opt out of processing data entirely, which locks their record and opts them out of your email campaigns, or enables them to request erasure of their personally identifying data. You can also choose to send an email notification to contacts when the record is locked or when data is erased from the system. You can manage these and other notifications by clicking on the Consent Notification Settings button. Thanks for watching this video. If you need any help, please email us at support@vtiger.com or visit vtiger.com/doc.